Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, the 23rd of November, and this video is for our Year 6 parents because this afternoon you're going to discover that your students are going to be coming home with an invitation to the Year 6 farewell. And we spoke about that fairly recently, but we didn't have all of the details. So with a bit of luck, this will clarify everything that's going on. So this is the invitation that's going to go home tonight, and you can see that it talks about it's at West Tradie Sports Club, Wednesday the 16th of December, between 6 and 8:30 p.m. So that's probably the details that the kids are interested in, but for you as parents, there's a little bit more that you need to know. So the first detail that we need to just remind everybody about is that we are actually at West Tradies this year, rather than at Stonecutters. So you can see on the screen here, Lethbridge Park's here. Obviously, if you go down Copeland, down Jersey, follow around into Woodstock, you get to West Tradies. And one of the really important bits of information we've got today, which I'll come back to, is exactly how we're going to start and conclude the day. So I'll show you the note that's going to go home. Hopefully everybody will receive this. So you can see that we've got a change of venue. So specifically Wednesday the 16th of December, so that is the last afternoon of attendance for the students this year. Between 6 and 8:30 p.m. at West Tradies, and I've got the address written down there for you. I'll explain how we're all going to arrive in a moment. I'll come back to that. But what's important is that the only adults who are able to attend will be the Year 6 teachers and the executive staff. As you'd appreciate, there's some restrictions on adults in these spaces, and that's the only way that we can comply with COVID-safe rules. We're not going to have dancing, but we will have a range of games which will be good fun. We'll still share a video. We'll have individually wrapped cake. The kids will still get their graduation certificate and distribute the yearbooks and those other types of things. But the meals will be individual, not a buffet style facility. The other thing that I will mention down the bottom here, which we spoke about fairly recently, is the Year 6 video, which the parents would traditionally come along to watch, will be distributed via an SMS notification, and you can click on it on your phone and you'll be able to watch the video at the same time as the students do. So it's a bit different to doing it all in the same spot at the same time, but we think that it will still be fairly good fun for everybody. And it's true to say, as a staff, we're fairly excited that we can actually have something happen, and the kids seem pretty excited as well. The big details for a parent relate to how we drop off and pick up. So on the West Tradies site, as many of you will know, there is a one-way system, and on Google Maps it actually shows that system. So you come down Woodstock when you're coming from our end of town, and as you turn into the driveway, you can actually drive completely around the building and you can exit the other side. So we have a private entrance for this event, which is around about here, and there's actually a little lay-by that you can pull into and you can do a kiss and drop. So the idea will be parents will come down here in their car, pull in here, say goodbye to the students. We'll have a teacher waiting there. The kids hop out of the car. They will go directly into the room and not through the West Tradie site itself. And then parents can drive away and leave, and that will get all of our students into the venue safely and not sort of through the actual West Tradie site. At the end of the evening, we can do the reverse. We will bring the students into this big long corridor and this outdoor pathway here, which will be just designated for Lethbridge Park Public School. Parents will come along. We will call your child forward. They can hop in the car and you can drive off. So in order to make this work properly, it will be really important to make sure that we have people there on time. We can't have cars sort of backed up waiting. It's going to cause problems, not just for us, but also for West Tradies. And at the end of the evening, obviously having people there, not too early, not too late, but just on 8:30 will make it better for us as well. So if there's anything that's not clear, I will put all these materials onto our school website today, and the Year 6 teachers will be able to answer any questions for you. We're very, very pleased that we can do something for the kids, and the kids seem very excited as well. So from me, hopefully that makes sense, and we'll talk to you later on in the week.